mentioned Niborski. Can you describe him?
Niborski, only with superlatives I can describe him. Is one of the most generous and honest and erudite and good people I know. He's a beacon. I'm very, very afraid of what is going to happen in Paris without Niborski. He holds everything together. He's treated with respect, not because of any kind of pretentiousness or arrogance. He's treated with respect because of his humbleness and his erudition. He's the most important lexicographer of Yiddish today. He has written the two most important dictionaries. The one that we now use in English is mostly a translation of his Yiddish-French dictionary. He's a great person. What can I say about him? I find it, he's so humble that his humility sometimes even stops him from giving more, I think. This is generally a problem. You think that you don't know enough, so you don't share it, what you do know, because you think that you don't. You think you're not a linguist, you think you're not an intellectual. He doesn't think he's a linguist, he doesn't think he's an intellectual. He doesn't consider himself as an academic. He considers himself so humbly, you can't really, I love him. He's a friend also, he's a great friend, yes.